To share a question response on Instagram story, follow these steps. First, open the Instagram app and navigate to your inbox where you received the question from your followers. Find the question you want to share and tap on it to open the conversation. Once you have opened the conversation, look for the response you want to share in your story and tap on the share icon next to it. This will take you to the story editor where you can add the response to your story. You can then add text, drawings, or other elements to your story to make it more engaging. You can also tag the person who asked the question by typing the @ symbol followed by their username. After you have customized your story, tap the share button to post it. Your story will now be visible to all your followers, and they can see the question and your response. To make the most out of this feature, use it to engage with your followers, share your expertise, and provide value to your audience. You can also use it to start a conversation, ask for feedback, or encourage your followers to ask more questions. By sharing question responses on your Instagram story, you can build a community, increase engagement, and grow your following. Remember to always keep your responses concise, informative, and engaging, and to use this feature regularly to keep your audience interested.